ma'am.
Yeah.
You are going to be the first one. There we go.
We are Cindy and Graham, and we welcome you to watch a video of us traveling full time through South Africa. We visit little off the beaten track towns along the way,
Got to climb up there.
places that we would never have gone to before.
Okay, Cindy, so now we're out for the day. What did you think? Where are we going?
We're at the Elephant Park in Knysna.
You know the place, eh? There we go. Knysna Elephant Park. Very difficult, but yes. We're out at Elephant Park. We're going to have a nice day today. I hope you also enjoy it with us. Enjoy!
We were just acquainting ourselves with a huge hall that tells you all about the elephants, and there's one whole wall which we didn't even film about the story of how the Knysna Elephant Park started. Beautiful story.
This is the living space when you can stay over, so you can see us in the video, and you stay over with the elephants. Beautiful. Oh, you can see them. Alex, you're going to be on. Okay, oh wow, look at this. You see elephants from the window. This is so awesome. Wow, babe. You know, I've seen in England, we watched a video where you can bath and the lions walk past the bath, behind glass.
Yes, I've seen that.
Yeah. Oh wow, this is so awesome. So you see the ellies at night. Wow. So, oh wow, this is just too beautiful. You get your little kitchenette. Yes.
And then there's the old one for the others.
So is this quite new? This section.
Yeah, this is only opened up in January.
Oh wow. Okay, this is gorgeous, gorgeous. No, I love this. There's the window that you see the ellies.
Yeah.
And there is, how many rooms, Alex? Yeah.
6 new ones and there's 6 others, so we've got 12 rooms.
12. Beautiful. Graham, aren't you enjoying this, my hand?
I am too. I'd like to stay. Are we going to stay tonight?
You're such lots of, all about elephants. All about elephants.
So as we were waiting our turn to go on the elephant guide tour, we looked at the beautiful front shop filled with elephant displays. We then went and watched a short video, a safety video.
So welcome
of
to
do's and
Knysna
don'ts.
Elephant Park.
Hey, thank
Yes,
you.
so we're
Thank
taking
you.
you where the elephants are. That's why you're going to enjoy the experience.
Wonderful.
This is our African,
Yes, I'm going to film that. Sorry, babe.
yeah. And then
This is the African limousine.
say something. Yeah, African 4x4.
4x4. I love that.
With
Yeah.
balloon tires.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is my fellow Mac.
Mac.
The virus man.
Mac. So the elephants are up in the corner up there, and we're in the limousine, as you can see. The African limousine. is, what did you say?
I said the road is a little bit bumpy. That's the African massage. So,
In the full movie there.
yeah, you never know. Maybe this one tastes nice.
That's nice. Oh, look at this.
Yeah,
big
start
one.
with the big one.
And then you put it just like this.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, hello, baby. Oh,
And
wow.
then
Did
you
you
wanna
get
keep-
me, babe?
Yeah.
Gonna keep all of them. Next one.
Hello, baby.
Keep moving with it.
Hello.
One more piece. You go to that one.
Oh, hello.
Following.
Hello.
And then come down, come to me, come down.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Take this one, the next one.
Hello.
Then
Oh,
next one,
hello.
so that they eat equal.
Ethan. Hello.
You must all eat the same.
You start it there again.
Again, okay.
Start with that one. That one, no.
Oh, wow.
And then you come to
beautiful.
this one.
Hello, baby.
So now, there's 3 pieces.
Yeah,
This one,
yeah.
next one.
Oh, because he's so big, he gets a smaller.
Yeah, she eat a lot. This one.
Hello. You can't have. You can't have. You can have. Oh.
That one is a lucky one.
Oh.
got a big
Oh,
piece.
yeah, look at this.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep
Keep
going.
going,
Oh,
keep going,
baby,
keep going.
look. Oh. Babe, that is so
Your pocket
beautiful.
is finished.
Oh,
Now it's him.
so cute.
So now you feel it. Yeah. That is that side.
Got sense here, I'll go this way. This is for you.
Oh, wow.
Down with the line.
Hello, babies.
Down with the line.
Oh, wow.
Keep following, man. Keep following. Big one. I will show you the mouth. I will show you the mouth. I will keep one piece to show you the mouth. Come down with the line.
Got a nice truck.
Yeah, wrong one. Easy piece, you feed it this one.
Carefully wants it, this one. Hello, babies. I love cutie pie. Hello. Oh, look how big you are. You are just so big. Wow. You're huge, babe.
Where did you start?
This way.
Now we're going
Okay.
up with the line.
Oh. Did you feed him already, a second one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Now we're going there.
I don't know if I...
That one, she always lucky, that one. She always
Ah,
gets
the
big
lucky
pieces.
one.
Ah.
She's the lucky one.
Look
Go
what I
over
got
there.
for you.
Wait, I want to see it. I want to see it.
Yum, 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 yum,
I want to
yum,
see it
yum,
going
yum,
in
yum.
I don't know if I got it all.
We'll get it now.
This one I will show you the mouth. So come down with the line.
Okay.
Keep this one. Between those two.
Oh, hello.
Between those two. I said it, no. Between
Hello.
those two.
Yeah.
The one that you choose.
These two.
Give any. I said it, no.
Oh, the end
I
one.
must give this
End
man.
one's very
You didn't
quiet.
make
Oh,
it.
careful,
I know your
babe.
choice.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Oh, okay. I don't know if I got it, but anyway. Hello, babies. You're just so
Last piece.
beautiful.
He's not a baby, this one.
Last piece.
Okay, wait.
Must I start with
Wait.
him again?
Now you can give it. Say it, no.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Don't bend.
Don't
I know,
bend,
I know,
don't
I know,
bend.
I know. I know, I
What do
remember
they
now.
do when you bend?
You want to
Say
take
it.
your head.
Right. This is the mouth. You say you want to see the mouth.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Mouth open.
Oh, wow.
There is the mouth.
Let me, I can't
Front
see.
up. Up. Hey. come up.
Here.
There is the mouth.
Wow.
And
You
that's
see?
the tongue.
Yo.
Yeah.
Big
This is the
tongue.
tongue.
Teeth on the top bit. Can you see the
This is
teeth?
what they do when they get the food. It's like a hook.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Yeah. There we go. Now this
In
is
the
for you,
mouth.
ma'am.
In
No,
the mouth.
on the
I was
trunk.
going to say in the trunk of
Not
the
on the mouth.
chicken. Hello, baby. Oh, and they're gentle when they take, eh?
Yeah, these are gentle
Hello,
giants.
baby.
Gentle
So the
giant.
bucket is
Hello,
empty,
baby.
yes.
Oh, you're beautiful.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you are going to be the first one.
What am I going to do?
You're going to be eaten by an elephant.
That sounds lovely.
It sounds good, yeah?
Yeah.
So you go first.
Okay.
You will take you some pictures.
Okay.
After that, we switch.
Perfect. I don't know what I'm
Sound
going to
good?
do. It sounds good.
Let's see. Give him the camera.
Okay.
I'll take him on.
Okay, it's fine. Come over. So you stand right here.
The tongue.
Away a bit from the tongue. Turn around your back.
Yeah.
Yes, and face where the camera is.
And I have a picture.
Yeah.
Wow, with this beautiful
This
beast. It's a beautiful animal.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Tell me the name.
Sally.
Mm.
But you're on now.
Yeah.
Sally. She's beautiful, eh?
Very.
And we fed them. What an experience.
What gentle giants.
Beautiful.
Looked after by awesome people.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
How are you there?
Very well. Now you
I'm
guys.
super good.
Looking good, eh?
I'm
Looking.
with a
Wilfred.
nice
Wilfred.
lady next to me here.
Yes.
And with Sally.
Sally.
There.
Sally's, this is for Sally.
Yeah,
This is for Sally.
Yes.
exactly.
Thank you very much.
Uh-huh. There we go.
Oh wow! So Graham, how are you feeling standing by so close to a gentle giant?
You know what? I must feel thrilled because I'm standing with my back to the giant.
Yes,
How much trust I have.
yes. Well, they've
Beautiful.
got the what do you call yourself? The, not trainers, you are
Mahout.
Mahout.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever that.
Mahood is doing good.
Oh, okay. That's beautiful, babes. Let me go close to his face here.
Yeah.
Keep your face there.
There
I
we
want
go.
to see he's eating.
She is.
Yeah, sorry, Sally's eating.
Sally.
Yeah,
Shelly's the painter.
Sally's eating. Shelly's the painter. Yeah, we've been meeting artists and oh wow.
Beautiful.
Oh, look how she's looking. Oh, so beautiful. Look how much she
long
puts in.
eyelashes.
Yes.
Yeah. Which are many envy to women.
Oh,
But they don't need any
beautiful.
mascara.
Yeah.
No, they've got mascara. If they want mascara, they dig a hole and
They
use
dig
mud.
and use mud. That's their mascara, yeah.
But that's brilliant. Okay, that was fantastic, Graham.
Awesome.
And Wilfred, thank you so much.
Wellington.
I'm Wellington.
Yes.
Sorry,
remember-
Wellington.
I did, babe.
Close.
I did. That's as close as I'm going.
Oh yes, you are. Oh wow, what an experience. So you see a lot of overseas people as well.
Yeah, but now to
Yeah. They don't want to
remove them. They don't want them. But now they spread up quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the fire, they start from them. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
This one pine tree.
Oh,
That's
the
why the pine tree.
Oh yes.
See these ones, they put on. They catch fire.
Wow.
It's like they petrol there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is good.
So they bring these trees from trying to stretch the bed
Oh, okay.
because it's itchy. So they eat
Yes.
18 to 19 hours.
18 to 19 hours.
Yeah, and they need to eat 5% of their body weight.
18,
5%.
Yes.
18
Sally,
to 20 hours. How many?
18 to 19.
19 hours they eat.
Yeah. Sally, she is almost like 4 tons.
Wow.
So she has to eat 200 kilograms of food per day.
4 ton.
4 tons. But males, they grow much more bigger. Because
Yes,
they can
I
go
know.
to 6 or 7 tons.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they are.
I know in Kruger National they had
You've
6
seen them
Ks.
there, yeah. Exactly.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Getting back into the African limousine. Yeah. Gorgeous shop. A curio shop. Ah, look at the elephant paintings, folks. Yeah. Beautiful. We deck. So tell me what's your name?
My name is Janine.
Janine. So what happens? Do the guests that stay over and look at the elephants from their room, do they come and eat here at the restaurant?
Yes, they can come at night and then we got the buffet breakfast in the morning.
Oh, fantastic. That's fantastic. Thanks, Janine.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So this is on the way, just outside the elephant park, the Knysna Elephant Park sanctuary, and we're stopping off. It's very cute. You can have some, we just bought some carrot muffins. And yeah, so we're going to go into a different shop. I won't. Beautiful little shop. Lovely homemade pies. Stop in and have a little cake or pie. This is where we bought our muffins. Beautiful. We're going to sit on the little patio and eat them. Gorgeous. All this gorgeous wood. Beautiful shop. Cutting boards. Stunning. So to show how big it is, you can put your hand in and sharpen your hand. I need the sharpener. Different players, like from different probably eras maybe, because look at this funny little one. And look at this one.
That's how they move. That's what happened.
And what's this? What's that?
Those are
A woodworking, all their tools.
You're going to have a nice little
Yeah, sherry.
sherry sandwich.
This is probably from all the area that the
Maybe.
woodworkers use.
Mm.